Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to enable or disable the Hello Nissan feature. So let's begin by using, for example, the home screen. Here you should find the settings icon located right here. If you tap here settings, you've got access to the following list of settings. Let's choose here sound and tones. If you tap sound and tones, now you've got access to the following list. Select here the system voice. If you tap system voice, you can use the following settings. Let's here scroll down to the bottom of the list. And as you can see, you can use the Hello Nissan feature. All you need to do is use this switcher. Right now it's turned off, so if you say loudly Hello Nissan, it won't do anything. But if you enable this feature and if you say the exact words one more time, Hello Nissan,
say a command,
it will activate your assistant. You can call someone.
You can interrupt the voice prompt and give a command immediately by pressing the push-to-talk button. Say phone, navigation,
Yes,
audio,
you can also use one of the following features.
Or EV to see more command.
Okay.
Canceling voice recognition.
Okay, let me cancel it. So as you can see, this is really useful. So you can use this feature just by enabling this feature here in settings. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.